back to another vlog. So basically, let me show you how the day is going. No Marvel? Alright. Mayank is working and look at this room. Marvel, don't take anything, okay? So basically this used to be our guest room. We disassembled the king size bed just so we could have all the spaces for the boxes, like when we start packing, and we can keep the stack the boxes here. That is what we have started doing. These are all empty boxes right now. Even these boxes, they are all empty. And we got some new boxes, we have some old boxes. So yeah. Marvel, come on. Marvel, come here. I'll give you Cheetos. Come on. Come on, baby, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Come on.
Marvel.
Come on, Daddy's also calling you. Come here.
Come here.
Don't take my box. I need the boxes, Marvel. I need these boxes.
It's his paradise in there.
Yep. I need to give him a treat before he tears apart this box that I need very much. This is not a play box. We need these for moving stuff, Marvel, okay?
We are moving to North Carolina now?
Yes.
So then we need the boxes to
We
pack
are
our
moving.
stuff.
Here. We are moving to North Carolina, so we need all the boxes. So let me tell you basically how kind people are. We got some new boxes, like medium, small, large, and then we got bubble wrap and heavy duty boxes, some of the boxes. And then there's an app called Neighborhood app. No, Nextdoor. It's called Nextdoor, and then it basically, you post anything, it goes to your neighborhood. And I just posted if anybody has any small, medium, large boxes that are no use to them, I'd love to pick them up, kind of thing. And I got so many messages from so many people that hey, we have these many boxes if you want. And then this is how the whole room filled up with boxes. So thank you so much to all the people who gave us free boxes. We are very grateful. And yeah, if you don't know about this app, it's not a promotion, it's a very good app. If you don't know about it, it's called Nextdoor, and then it's very helpful in all kind of ways. If you need an electrician, if you need any guidance, any, you know, all that stuff, you can always post there. You'll get reviews from other people that tell you, hey, this is good, I use this, kind of stuff. So yeah, one thing for sure, I know that starting today, I don't know about anything else, but you're definitely gonna see packing in our vlogs, like every day. There's still time, there's like a month, so we have already started packing because we don't want to stress in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes a day and start wrapping up the house, apartment. So excited, so excited. Started doing the laundry room, and my god, there's so much of stuff over there. But yeah, let's keep going. This is a tape gun. It's very important when you're packing. You have to have it. I'm using a marker to write down in all the boxes what I'm packing it inside, so that it's easy for me to identify when we unpack over there. So basically these are all 5 boxes of laundry rooms. I'm gonna write laundry room on them. I'm quickly going to pick up some boxes from, again, that app that I told you. They said they have lots of boxes. I'm gonna go pick that boxes up, and while the laundries are the curtains are washing. Also, I didn't tell you, we took out all the curtains from the house, like literally all the curtains, every single room, and we put up the blinds back. So I'm gonna wash the curtains and then fold it and pack it, and so that they're fresh when we reach the new house. And we got this tea. We were out of this tea. It is so good. It's basically nightly calm herbal tea that we drink before sleeping, and I got coconut milk because today is National Coffee Day, so I'm gonna make some coffee at home right now. And we were out of onions, so here are some onions. So basically we are not buying any grocery at all, like nothing, only onion, tomato and potato, the base. And we are trying to finish up all the freezer stuff and everything, so it's very less for us to carry, like trying to minimize everything. I think we're living the life of minimalistic, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Just eating whatever is at home, trying to make everything from that. Yeah.
We chop veggies, we freeze them. We have like we have what, jackfruit and bunch of other veggies, green beans, carrots, broccoli, all those things which we store frozen. So we are just kind of
you told me to get ginger from Walmart. I was not able to remember what he said. One more thing to get from Walmart. Now I'm like, oh, ginger. Anyways, let's make coffee. So with the coffee, we are gonna enjoy some vanilla bourbon cake. And here is my latte. So happy National Coffee Day! So these are just, I mean, just look at the condition. Don't mind, it's all messed up, but it's gonna be messy for some days here. These are all the curtains that we took down today, and I already washed one batch of curtains. Now I'm gonna dry them in the dryer here and put a different batch so they are nice and clean. I mean, it's so freaking crowded here. Toy marbles, toy baskets. And let me tell you, we went to get the boxes from the app I told you, and we got like, how many, babe? Around 30 boxes today?
Yeah.
Around 30 boxes, like medium, large, heavy duty wardrobe boxes for free. Can you imagine how kind people can be sometimes?
Chicken is ready with some coconut milk. And it came out really well. Well, this is not the first time I'm opening it. I actually opened and tasted it. So let me show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. The chicken. I mean, we really wanted to have like a curry like this, not a very thick consistency. So that's like perfect. But if you're planning to make a thick consistency curry or gravy, whatever, use coconut cream, right, babe?
Yeah.
So use coconut cream because it will give a nice thick rich texture if that's what you're looking for. We were looking for a more comfortable food. I think that's what we have been doing, because we had curry yesterday and it was like you drink the curry and it's super delicious. Same thing with this. We wanted to just drink it in a soupy way. Of course we are having it with rice, but
trying to get that North Carolina feeling, like the cold weather feeling already from starting here. So we are doing all those things basically.
So anyways, it is really tasted. It's really tasting really good. I don't know if Tanya showed you guys the recipe, but delicious. Look at all the cake. So I don't know if she told you.
No.
Midnight craving. Yesterday, not midnight, but yes, yesterday we were lying in the bed, and after 20 minutes she woke up and she's like, you know what, I'm craving for Madagascar bourbon cake. I'm craving for sweet and I'm gonna bake a Madagascar bourbon cake. And then we woke up, we started playing some vlogs, and then she actually made the cake, and it's, look, 3/4 is already gone. Oh boy, are we on a roll or are we on a roll? Well, anyways, I'll see you guys a little bit later.
So dinner is almost ready. I made some rice. And some rice, chicken, and the curry is heating up over here. And I'll pour that on top of my rice. We have salad. He is making kawan. So basically we are finishing up all frozen stuff.
And I have taken the responsibility to finish the lachha paratha.
Yeah.
Lachha paratha.
Yep.
And the samosas.
I can help in the samosa and the other ones, the yellow ones basically. But yeah, we don't have. Let's see, what all do we have? I mean, we have some blueberries, we have ice cream. I know this looks a lot, but
it's not a lot.
Yeah, it's not a lot. It's basically frozen peas and corns which we don't have to finish, right? We can just carry them. And then we have blueberries. That is also something that we don't have to finish. We have a lot of mango. If you guys are new and you don't new to our channel, then don't forget to check out the vlogs where we shared how much mangoes we got and how I froze them here for the whole entire year.
I'll put a link.
Yeah, we'll put the link in the description box, so you can check that out. And then so basically these mangoes are something that we'll carry them with us in our ice bucket, and stuff like the pasta, gnocchi, carrot, broccoli, we'll just eat them up. Ice creams, they are very little, literally like less than half. It's like 1/4, and these are again all spices, so it's not something that we have to finish it. It's pretty good, I guess.
बताओ कितनी ग्रेवी खाना तुम्हें? बताओ कितनी ग्रेवी डालना तुम्हें? कितनी आ गई?
बस.
Bas!
So I love to eat food in a bowl. I don't know why, but it's like mix everything together. Basically bowl foods. If you like chipotle, bole, I'm one of those people. And then yeah, my salad is in your plate.
Yes. You can take the salad and you should take the remaining curry.
Yeah.
Good estimation. I like that. No leftovers.
The curry came out to be so good because of the coconut milk. And you can
Salad le
you can literally differentiate the coconut milk from all the other spices. It's really good. Salad though. So this is how my food looks. Some people will be like, ew, it's disgusting, you mix everything, but I like it that way. He doesn't mix everything. Let me show you his plate. He is like, oh, nice. He has the curry here, the paratha, the chicken separated over here, and the salad. So it's like all nice for him, nice and pretty. And when you see mine, this is comfort food, people, comfort food.
This is
Look at that. He's just gonna eat this much rice. A little bit over here. So we are watching Van Helsing, and it's so interesting. It's getting interesting episode by episode. I'm not gonna do that. I know. I miss my curtains over here. It feels so
naked.
Different. Yeah, it feels naked. The house feels naked without the curtains. But slowly you're gonna see our house get more naked because the stuff our apartment get more naked, but it's gonna be a more beautiful house then. Alright, we are gonna eat our food and we'll see you sometime. Alexa, switch on living room light.
Alexa, feed Marvel.
I wish.
Here's something I found on reference.com.
Oh.
There are many hidden foods that should not be given to dogs, but chocolate, raisins, grapes, macadamia nuts, and mushrooms are the most dangerous. Some foods that are safe for humans contain substances that are toxic to dogs. Chocolate contains theophylline, and caffeine, all of which can cause vomiting and diarrhea in dogs. In some cases,
Alexa,
chocolate...
stop. So basically, Mayank just said, Alexa, feed Marvel. And then, I don't know how come, but she knows Marvel is our dog. So she started talking about the dog.
Oh, I might have added Marvel in Amazon as a dog. So maybe
maybe.
Their data from there.
Alright. Good morning. Good morning. so you guys can see why I'm wearing this, because it's so freaking bright, because we don't have the curtains. It's so bright, so I had to wear this whole night. I think I'm gonna wear this for like till the time we leave. Alright, I'm gonna go freshen up, make some tea, and I'll see you guys in our next vlog. So until then,